Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh.
Hi, this is the unboxing of the Belkin UltraCharge Magnetic Wireless Charger 25W 3-in-1. The Belkin UltraCharge Magnetic Wireless Charger has fast charge with the latest Key 2 technology. Conveniently place your phone on the magnetic charger to fast charge your iPhone or Key 2 compatible device up to 25W. Made with MagSafe compatibility, its Key 2 technology provides up to 5 times faster wireless charging. The Belkin UltraCharge Magnetic Wireless Charger has ultra-fast charging for all your devices. This MagSafe compatible charger lets you charge an iPhone from 0 to 50% in 29 minutes and Apple Watch Series 10 from 0 to 80% in 30 minutes. You can also charge AirPods up to 5W while charging your other devices. You may do simultaneous charging with easy alignment. Wirelessly charge your iPhone, Apple Watch, and AirPods at the same time to quickly and conveniently prepare for your next adventure. Magnetic alignment easily snaps your phone in place for perfect charging. This device is foldable, adjustable and travel-ready. Folding capability makes it easy to pack and travel with, and your iPhone can still be charged even while the charger is folded. The stand angle also adjusts for landscape or portrait phone attachment up to 65 degrees. The Belkin UltraCharge Magnetic Wireless Charger is safe, cool, and sustainable. This charger is cleverly crafted with fire-resistant, soft-touch silicone, recycled materials. Belkin Smart Protect and Chill Boost passive cooling ensures safe, efficient charging while protecting your devices and battery. The Belkin UltraCharge Magnetic Wireless Charger is standby ready. This 3-in-1 magnetic charger supports standby to style your iPhone as you'd like, allowing Apple users to mount their phone and enjoy standby features while working or relaxing, view the time in the office, bedroom, and more. This Belkin UltraCharge 3-in-1 charger comes with a 45-watt power supply and 5 feet or 1.5 meters long. Type-C to Type-C cable is included, so you can begin immediately charging right out of the box without the need to make any additional purchases. It is case compatible. Easily get the same charge to your phone without the hassle of removing your MagSafe compatible case. Up to 3mm. This charger's modern design pairs with MagSafe compatibility, so your charge is not compromised by your phone case. Hope you liked this video. Have a nice day.
Subscribe and stay informed. Addicted to Macintosh. More than 1,200 Apple product-related videos. Thank you for viewing, subscribing, sharing and liking.